Hello everyone. This video is about elastic knitting with 3 loops in the knit part and 1 purl loop for a divider. This fine, lovely texture is due to using a long envelope loop that surrounds 3 stitches. The scheme consists of 4 loops and 4 rows. The resulting fabric has a clean appearance, a well-balanced structure, and good elasticity. Begin by casting on numerous stitches in multiples of 4. Make 2 stitches for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 1, purl 2, make a yarn over loop, and purl 1. Again, knit 1, purl 2, make a yarn over loop, and purl 1. The second row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, purl 1, knit 1, drop the yarn over stitch, slip 1 long loop, and knit 1. Again, purl 1, knit 1, drop 1, slip 1 long loop, and knit 1. The third row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 1, purl 1, slip 1, and purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, slip 1, and purl 1. The fourth row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, purl 1. Now, we will form an envelope loop. Exchange the places of the right 2 loops and knit only one of them. Now the second loop is in the first position. Pull 1 loop between the 2 loops 2 rows down. Knit 1, and finally pass the long loop over the other 3 with the left hook. Again, purl 1. Exchange the places of the right 2 loops, knit 1, pull up a loop between the 2 loops 2 rows down, knit 1. And finally pass the long loop over the other 3 with the left hook. I have presented a fashionable and stretchable knit. It is appropriate for clothing and accessories for all seasons and yarn types. If you wish to learn how to knit this stitch in the round, please get in touch with me in the comments or through Facebook Messenger. I'll post a video instruction for you. This simple knitting technique will be beneficial for your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.